Camtasia Studio is a powerful program for creating and editing video tutorials. This is a for-purchase software that I believe is worth every penny if you create a lot of screencasts. You can download a free trial version from techsmith.com. The PC and Mac versions are somewhat different in use and appearance, and this tutorial will cover the PC version, which is more robust in my opinion. After you've downloaded Camtasia to your computer, launch the program. Before you start recording, you will want to have any visuals needed for your video open and ready to go, such as videos or presentations that you plan to use. Once you're ready, select the Record the Screen option. You can set a custom recording region or record your entire screen. You can also determine if your computer's microphone is recorded, so you can narrate as you record, or you can add your narration later. Also, you can have Camtasia record the system audio so that sounds coming from the computer itself, like audio from videos or games, is also captured. Once you have determined your settings, choose the Record button. You will get a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and then you can begin. The recorder window will minimize, and Camtasia will capture everything inside the recording area. When you are finished, you can press F10 or choose Stop from the Camtasia recorder. Notice you can also pause your recording here or delete it and start over. After you stop your recording, you will get a preview window of your recording. You can delete it or produce it right from here, or if you want to add any annotations or do any editing of the video, choose Save and Edit. After you name your recording, the Camtasia editor will automatically open. Like most video editors, Camtasia uses a series of layered tracks. This is a very robust video editor, and this video will only cover the very basics. But a series of in-depth tutorials covering more features is available at techsmith.com. This is my main video track. I can use the play button to preview my video. I can also move the playhead to a later location in my video and play from there. If I want to make cuts from the beginning or end of my video clip, I can simply click and drag. However, if you want to make more precise cuts or make cuts in the middle of your video, use the split tool. For example, let's say the doorbell rang or I sneezed right about here in my video, and I want to remove that interruption. I can make a split right before the interruption and another split right after it. Now that I have separated that goof part of the video from the rest of it, I can delete it and drag the two sections together. Now when I click play, it's like my goof never happened. You can also add callouts and annotations to draw viewer attention to items on your screen. Click the callouts tab and choose the callout you like. Click it and it will appear where you've placed the playhead on one of the tracks above your main video track. Resize your callout as needed. And then you can play or preview to see if you need to adjust its duration, which you can do by clicking and dragging and resizing. Also, there may be times when you want to zoom in on something on your screen. Put the playhead at the spot in your video where you want the zooming to start, and then visit the Zoom and Pan tab. In the preview window on the left, use the anchors to zoom in on the desired area. While you do this, the preview on the right will reflect your actions. This arrow will be added to your video track to indicate that you've applied a zoom. You can adjust the duration of the zoom or its speed. You can move it or you can delete it. When you want to zoom back out, move your playhead to the spot in the video where you want to zoom out. Use the Zoom and Pan tab again, and use the anchors to adjust the level of zoom. Finally, if you chose to record your screen actions without narration and want to add narration now, simply use the More button to select Voice Narration, and then click to record your script. When you're done, you'll need to name this audio file, and then Camtasia will add it to a new track in your video. You can split and edit this audio just like you did with your video file earlier. Camtasia can be a memory-intensive program, so it's a good idea to save your editing work periodically. Your work will save as a Camtasia project file, which can be reopened for later editing, but cannot be viewed in any other program. So when you're finished editing and annotating, you will need to produce your video so that others can see it. To do this, visit the Produce and Share menu. You'll have several options for producing your video. You can produce and publish it directly to screencast.com, Vimeo, Google Drive, or YouTube, or you can save it as an MP4 file to your computer. I want to send mine directly to my YouTube channel, so I'll choose that option and select Next. If I were not already signed into my YouTube account, then I would be prompted to do so. From here, I will title my video, add the description, any tags that I want, and choose the privacy setting I want YouTube to assign to this video. Then I will choose Finish. Camtasia will render the video and upload it to YouTube. When it's finished, my browser will launch and I'll be taken to my video's location on YouTube. Chances are YouTube may still be processing the video, but in a few minutes, the video will be live at this URL. At any point, you can return to your project file and make additional edits, but you will need to reproduce your video each time you do so. The Camtasia Studio Editor is chock full of other goodies, including a robust library of resources you can use in your videos, but the basics of splitting, adding callouts, and zooming will allow you to significantly improve the polish of your videos.